Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about another Chinese contractor coming to Jamaica. A massive contractor, Sino Hydro Corporation, one of the largest contractors in China. Now this area that we're giving you a tour of is Lilliput in Montego Bay. This is the hottest area for investment or development in Jamaica. At the bottom of the screen, that land is where they're building the 34 floor Moon Palace. The construction that's going on here now is a 1,000 room apartment complex. At the top of the screen where you see that white building, that is where they're building the Unico Hotel, a massive 451 room luxury resort. And then in front of the Unico construction is where they're going to build the 1,000 room Hard Rock Hotel and Casino. And then beside the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino is a hotel, Iberia Star. So of all the hotels on the strip, only one is finished. The Hard Rock is going to start sometime next year. Moon Palace is going to start next year. And the Unico will be finished this year. And this development where they're building the 1,000 room apartment building just got started. So a lot of mega development projects taking place in Jamaica. So it's no surprise that the largest contractors in the world want to come to Jamaica. And they happen to be, a lot of them happen to be Chinese contractors. But everybody wants to come to Jamaica because the largest contractor in Jamaica is China Harbour Engineering Company. And they have done extremely well in Jamaica. They seem to work very well with the government and the local engineers or the local workers, basically. They seem to get along well because they've been here for many years and they continue to expand their projects in Jamaica. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on Sino Hydro. Sino Hydro Corporation, one of China's largest and most powerful engineering and construction companies, is officially making its entry into Jamaica, signaling a new phase in the island's infrastructure expansion and modernization. The move comes as the Jamaican government continues to attract international partners with the expertise, financing, and technology needed to deliver transformative national projects in energy, transportation, and water systems. Sino Hydro's arrival is part of Jamaica's broader effort to strengthen its relationship with global engineering giants capable of executing large-scale projects under the government's Vision 2030 development framework. The company, a subsidiary of Power Construction Corporation of China, is globally recognized for its expertise in hydropower, dam construction, highway development, and renewable energy engineering. With operations in more than 100 countries, Sino Hydro has built some of the world's largest energy and transport facilities and is now positioning itself to bring that same capacity to the Caribbean region, with Jamaica at the forefront. The first wave of projects expected to involve Sino Hydro includes a modernization of the Petrojam Refinery in Kingston, a strategic initiative to upgrade Jamaica's fuel processing capabilities. Under a framework agreement already in place, Sino Hydro will serve as the engineering, procurement, and construction contractor, responsible for expanding and modernizing refinery capacity from 36,000 to 50,000 barrels per day. This upgrade is seen as critical for Jamaica's energy security, reducing dependency on imported refined petroleum and aligning the nation's infrastructure with global environmental and efficiency standards. Beyond energy, Sino Hydro is also set to participate in major infrastructure projects across the island. The company has been in discussions to work on new hydropower and renewable energy systems, especially in eastern Jamaica, where feasibility studies have identified potential hydroelectric generation sites. This move fits perfectly with the government's drive towards cleaner energy and sustainable growth. The arrival of Sino Hydro will not only bring world-class construction capability to Jamaica, but also create opportunities for local employment, skills training, and technology transfer. With Sino Hydro now entering the local market, the island will gain access to a wider pool of international expertise and financing options, positioning it for sustained development. The partnership will also complement existing investments by other Chinese firms, such as China Harbour Engineering Company, which successfully completed the North-South Highway and other landmark projects. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Another major Chinese contractor coming to Jamaica. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.